Is there anything better than a warm, fresh, crispy falafel wrap? I was a bit apprehensive to share this with you because it's not a traditional recipe, but I thought that I would make a speedy homemade cheats version using tinned chickpeas. My dad is Middle Eastern and he loved it, so that's a 5-star review from him. Now, like I said, it's not a traditional recipe, but I can assure you the flavours are there. I added drained and rinsed chickpeas to a food processor along with spring onions, garlic, fresh coriander, fresh parsley, ground cumin, and some coriander seeds, salt, pepper, and a dash of water to get the party started, and then some flour to bind it all together. Now, you want to chill it in the fridge for a few hours or overnight. Then once that is done, you literally roll them into balls or little logs, crumb them in some panko crumbs. That's what's going to give it that crisp when you shallow fry it. You can also bake it. I've given you that in the tips section on the website if you want to do so. I made a gorgeous red onion, sumac, salt, pepper, and olive oil salad that I put on some Lebanese bread with tzatziki because that's what I had at the time, but you could use pita bread as well. Add a little bit of lemon garlic tahini sauce. It's another traditional little sauce that they add. Fresh herbs, veg, it's endless. Anyway, it makes the best dinner party. Everyone can construct their own wrap. I hope you love it. It is quick, it is easy, it hit the spot. And I would love to know what you all think because honestly, this got wiped off the table in a matter of 10 minutes.